Hi everyone, today we are going to cover a range of topics pertaining to Google Chrome. These topics include signing in, syncing your account, extensions, themes, and privacy settings. To get started, you need to make sure that you're signed into Google Chrome by looking in the upper right hand corner of your screen. If there's an option here that says sign in, that means you need to click it and get signed in to get started. Once you're signed in, Google can track various information about you to make your browsing experience easier and more enjoyable, but you still have some control over what information is shared and synced. Remember, as an employee, your school information and email is not private. If you want more information about that, I suggest checking out your Employee Responsible Use Agreement or any other forms that you've signed related to use of tech with your district or employer. Since we're on the topic of privacy, I'm going to show you where you can access your sync settings and your privacy settings on Chrome. And the upper right hand corner of Chrome is three dots. If you click these dots and scroll down to settings, you'll be brought to the settings of your Chrome browser. At the top, you'll see the sync. You can turn this feature on or off. It's very useful if you're going to be working on different devices, but you want your browsing tabs or your links to stay open. You can also turn it off here as well. In addition, you can check out your privacy and security settings, like your browsing data, if you want to clear what websites you've been on, look at the cookies and information other websites are keeping about you, and explore more advanced security settings. I'm not going to go into detail about these settings, but I am going to include a link in case you want to learn more about them. Also, feel free to play around with these settings on your own time because there's a bunch of different options on the settings with Google Chrome. Another setting that you may be interested in is changing your appearance. If you click on this, you can change the theme of your browser. You can also change it back to the default theme if you're unhappy with the one that you've chosen. If you click theme, you can come to the Chrome Web Store and change your theme. The Chrome Web Store has a lot of different themes that are all free. To change your theme, all you need to do is click on a theme and click Add to Chrome, and that theme will instantly be your new theme on your browser. The Chrome Web Store is also where you can get to different extensions. Extensions are handy tools for you to use if you visit a website frequently or you like a certain app that you want to use. There's a lot of things you can do with extensions. If you click, you can browse some of the different ones that are already made and add them to your own browser. So, here's the Clever extension. If I click on it, I can click Add to Chrome, and now I can easily get to the Clever extension on my Chrome, which you can see is right here. And this is some of my other extensions I have added. If you click on the little pin, it will pin the extension so you can easily access it. And as you can tell, I have a lot and I haven't always updated mine because I've gotten a little extension happy in the past. You can also access all of this by going back under your settings. The Chrome Web Store you can also find by clicking on your browser and just typing in Google Chrome Store. It's the first thing that pops up. Or go to chrome.google.com/webstore. Have fun exploring some of the different options available to you. Thank you.